Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first thing is you need to make sure you're connected to internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. After that, you're going to simply go to your setting and click on Apple Intelligence and Siri. So you're going to tap on that. And in the section, very top here, you'll see Apple Intelligence and Siri. And by default, you'll be able to go ahead and simply tap to turn on it, and it's going to explain what that is. So we're going to click on setup, and then you have the option to do summarize notification if you want summaries of notification. So you're going to choose that, and then you can select the types you want. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then if you want priority notification, you can also enable that. All of these are customizable. And then if you want to use the camera control when you're 17 to basically do that, you can enable this. You don't have to, but that's a feature. And then you need to also set up Siri. If you haven't done set up Siri, you need to set up Siri so that you can actually do this. So we're going to go ahead and continue, and you're going to say these commands. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Now with Siri also turned on, we can hit continue. And as you can see here right now, under the Apple Intelligence, it is turned on, but it's downloading support. So it could take a little bit of time before you can actually use it. So you just want to wait until you can see the border light up. Right now, if I say, hey Siri, or if I press and hold, as you can see your Siri is just a normal Siri. It's still downloading because it does take a moment or so. But after that, you should be able to get Siri with Apple Intelligence enabled. So I want to make sure that you have Siri turned on. So that's how you would do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next time.